Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and today I have an unboxing for you. I have the new kit from Creative Retreat Kits called The Vine for February 2021. Let's check it out. All right, as always, the Creative Retreat Kit comes packaged really nicely, all in a bag. Let's see what goodies we have this month. All right, let's start with the devotion. Okay, this month's devotional is called The Vine. It was written by Jessica Drews. And of course, it is reflecting on John 15:5, where it says, I am the vine, you are the branches. Whoever abides in me and I in him, he it is that bears much fruit. For apart from me, you can do nothing. And of course, a very famous verse, the last I am statement of the Gospels. And the devotion is focusing on how we are tied into Jesus, and it's through Jesus as the vine, and that we can grow and flourish and produce fruit, and that we cannot do it separate from him. So I think it's a wonderful reminder. Again, I always love the colors. Look at the beautiful patterned paper on the back of the devotion. If you've been watching me over on the Creative Retreat channels, and of course all of my fellow creative team members, I happen to love photocopying this and using this in my devotions. I think it's just so beautiful, but I'm not always ready to cut apart the devotion. So just an idea, if you're using it for personal use, you can always photocopy that so that you have that beautiful patterned paper. And then of course you get all kinds of goodies in the kit. Abide, this beautiful pin. I know so many people have chosen Abide as their word of the year for 2021. So that is absolutely perfect. Love the rich greens. And then this month we get a super fun washi tape. Let me open this one and show you what it looks like. Okay, I absolutely love the washi tape this month. As you can tell, it is gold foiled washi tape. It has this beautiful kind of plum color in the back, like a light plum lilac. I think it is so pretty. This might be my favorite washi tape that I've ever received from Creative Retreat Kits. I just think it's so gorgeous and versatile. I'm super excited to give this washi tape a try. And then we get all kinds of other goodies. So we have the stickers that come each month. Some of our favorites, of course, are these wonky hearts and the florals. I always love those. I love that we get word fetty each month that really help us focus in when we're journaling on certain key words. Very pretty. Look at how you have the floral right here that goes in to the word in. I love that. That is super cool how it does. And then here you have me connected to the vine. I absolutely love that. That is so beautiful. And then we also have alpha stickers. Now, the last couple months we've had tile alphas. These are a little bit different. They are cardstock stickers, so they will be opaque. We get two different colors, this beautiful spring green and this kind of off-white kind of taupe color. I think that is gorgeous. I like how we change it up. You, of course, can mix and match from other kits. Use those tile alphas if you didn't get to use them all, but these are going to be beautiful on their own. And again, sized perfectly for the margins of your Bible. So pretty. I love those. And then we always get a small stamp set. This one is super pretty. I love this vine that you can connect it. I can just see this along the whole margin. You have some words: remain in me, in you, bear fruit. These little, this kind of looks like the grapes. So you can add the grapes as the fruit onto the vine. And then you have a couple of flowers. And these, of course, are super versatile. I love the sizing of the Creative Retreat Kit. So I do receive several different devotional kits every month. And this one is fantastic, especially for beginners, or if you already have a ton of supplies in your stash. This one is going to be perfect for you because you get just enough to really work through the kit. It's a shorter devotion, and you can create some beautiful entries, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming for you. So I would highly recommend checking out Creative Retreat Kit, especially if you are new to Bible journaling, or if you're just wanting to kind of ease up on collecting all all of the things, then this would be a great subscription kit to check out. I will definitely leave a link down below. Heads up, that is an affiliate link. I get store credit every time you guys shop that link, so it's allowing me to kind of collect some different things from the Creative Retreat store. This is going to be a wonderful devotion. I'm excited to jump in. Also, make sure you're checking out the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. I do 2 videos a month over there, and there are other creative team members that are fantastic that also create content over there, and you will definitely want to check it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said, all of this is listed down below, so you can be sure to check it out. I hope you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.